I find that Frithjof Schuon's signature idea that there is a transcendent unity of religions works beautifully as a framework in my introductory class to world religions. And I also make use of his teaching that every religion is a combination of doctrine and method, of theory and practice. Also his teaching that the spiritual life is a combination of truth, virtue, beauty, prayer. These insights work very well at that level of teaching. In teaching Christian theology, I've also made use of Schuonian insights. His teaching that evil is a necessary function of life in this world. Creation not being able to be as perfect as God is a very excellent way of introducing Christian students to concepts of the fall, human evil, and so forth. So it's in these ways, I think, that I've been able to teach more successfully perennialist ideas at the university level.